this new MR that is moving to a new Elastic Handwrite. So I have here Kubernetes cluster, which has Elasticstack installed with an old version. You can see here that the logs are working and that we have some pods running and we have some data volumes, volume claims here. So I'm interested in showing what happens when you update. So if I click update here, it's going to start a container. It's going to first uninstall the release, which is done here, delete. So you can see here terminating, and it's deleting the persistent volume claims. So it takes a while to happen. And then after that, it's going to install the new version, which is version 3. And you can see here, you have Elasticsearch that is starting. So while this is happening, the logs keep working, although in a degraded state. You can see it's using the Kubernetes API while the install is happening. So now Elasticsearch is starting, and there's actually a health check that will verify that Elasticsearch is actually up before terminating this container and stopping the spinner here. And so this takes a few minutes. You can see here we're waiting on one container to be ready. So now the container is ready, and we're checking that everything is up. So we have like a custom script that checks that Elasticsearch is up. And then this container is done. It terminates. And here, after refresh, you'll see that it updated to trial v3. And so now the log should be using Elasticsearch. It should be working. Yep. And as you can see, we haven't lost any data because these logs are still present on the physical hosts where they're running. So FileBeat, the new version, was able to re-index them as the new version started. So you would only lose data for containers for pods and containers where the log file has been deleted on disk, or that were run on a host that has since terminated. And so the last thing I want to demo is the uninstall action. Yes, I want to uninstall Elasticstack, and so this is going to start a container named uninstall Elasticstack, which is just going to remove all the containers, all the pods, and all the persistent volume claims. Yep, you can see here we have no more Elasticsearch pods running, no more persistent volume claims, and after refresh, we have uninstalled. There you go.